Hi everybody, welcome to my website that I have built for this course. It is called Speech with Kate. I am Caitlin, people call me Kate, and I am a speech language pathologist major. So in this website, the first thing you're going to see is this homepage, and then next when you scroll down, you'll see a slideshow. It's all about what a speech language pathologist is, how they approach practicing, who they approach practicing with, including children, adults, kids with disability, adults with disabilities, anybody who may have a language deficit or some sort of stroke or medical reason and they can't properly produce speech. Then just different exercises on what they do and the beneficial parts of speech language and taking speech therapy. Next, you're going to see my biography, a little bit about me, what my plan is moving forward with this degree, where I'm at in my journey to reach the degree, what inspired me to get into this profession, and just a couple fun facts about me. Then we're going to go to resources. These are some things that I think will help a lot of people. It's just about learning tips, great exercises that you can practice, strategies for success, and being positive, because speech therapy is not for the weak. It is very hard on children and kids, and can get very frustrating if a kid isn't picking up the skills, but all about being positive, and it'll all be okay in the end because we'll take care of you. Next page is my choice. These are just very good. I recommend them very heavily. If your child is having problems with any of these sounds and for some reason speech therapy is not on the table, this woman makes the best videos and really breaks down how to achieve that sound. So I really recommend these. Next is evaluations. This is my Apple Teacher Certification. It says Carolyn Campos. I'm Caitlin Campos. I'm on the same Apple ID as her. I did mine about learning the iPad, and I learned a lot of great facts about it, how to do things when it comes to editing, and a lot of shortcuts. I really recommend it for anybody. The screencast is where this video will be. Next we go to tech projects. This is my mobile app. I really enjoyed reviewing this app. It's called Notability, and it's a breakdown of what it is, first of all, then the compatibility, the price, size, access, the personal uses, the classroom uses, the benefits, and then finally the challenges of this app. I plan on using this app. I actually already have started using it. It's a great organizational tool. It has a lot of tools that you can use within the app. It's like a one-stop shop. Next is my digital story. This is the breakdown of my script and the pictures I planned on using. This is the slideshow of how I plan on getting the viewers engaged, touching into their emotional side, and really voicing and getting that voice through the screen and into the audience. And the music, the economy behind it, and the pacing of my story. It's really just a breakdown plan of how I was going to achieve this story. And here is my digital story. It is posted on YouTube on public access for anybody who would like to watch. I did mine on how I learned that I wanted to be a speech pathologist. I learned very early on in life. My brother, who is 1 year older than me, is Down syndrome, and he really inspired me growing up. I helped him break down the language. He looked at me as a role model, so he was very willing to do basically anything that I could do, and I'm so thankful that he was, because he probably wouldn't wouldn't be where he is today with his speech if it weren't for me and him seeing me in such a good light. Next is my website evaluation in ISTE. If it will load. I reviewed a website, and this is just all the information that I found about it. The availability, the accessibility, the reliability, all the information of the author, what it is about, all of that fun and good stuff. And then here's my ISTE infographic. And this just breaks down the 7 steps of how to empower students and become an empowered student yourself. And then this is my PLN and PLE, just my plan for learning and networking. And then here are some reflections and my review of class apps, blog reflection, another reflection, and a third reflection. I really liked these reflection assignments because it helped me to break down what we did that week and think more critically about it. And then lastly, here's a link to my tech blog. It is all things about speech, and I have made a couple posts so far. The first one being, or the most recent being, how using Wiki as if in a classroom is beneficial, and then an introduction to my blog. I plan on continuing to use this blog. I think it is such a great resource, and I'm so happy to have been introduced to it. So yeah, this is my website and my blog. I really enjoyed this course, and I appreciate really all of the things that I learned and all the great resources that I can now use. Thank you.